Alright everyone, today I'm going to show you parts of this house since I can't really show the whole thing. So, here we go. First we have, I don't know, whatever this is. Air conditioner, I guess. I don't know why I said whatever this is. I already know what it is. I was kind of just testing you guys to see if you guys do too. My bedroom right here, and here's the hallway. Now it might be a lot quieter in here compared. It might be a little bit more quieter in this hallway compared to my room because it's like always noisy in there. It's always noisy in there. And the door's shut. Alright, here's the bathroom. And I promise guys, I won't use the bathroom. Not on YouTube. As long as I'm on YouTube I won't. I'm not coming here to use the bathroom. As long as I'm on YouTube I won't. I promise. Or anywhere else. As long as I'm on YouTube or anywhere else. I mean YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter as long as I'm here, I'm not gonna use it, I promise. I only use it when I'm not recording or or don't have anything to show for my friend or anything. Kind of bright out there. Look at that old man coming out of his car, opening his trunk, trying to get something from his car. Okay, now he's closing it, walking away. Okay, I'll stop. He's walking that red thing there, like this red thing right here. Okay, that's enough. He's seen enough. I just had to tell you guys what I was seeing because apparently you guys can't see it that well on this camera. The camera doesn't do its justice here. The camera doesn't do its own justice here. Alright. And I have to be quiet because we're going upstairs. Alright, this is the kitchen. We can get a drink real quick, and then we'll talk about what we've seen so far. Alright, so that was the kitchen. Sorry I couldn't show you guys the kitchen. At least you saw some of it. I mean at least you saw some of it. But yeah, if I could show you the whole entire kitchen I would, but yeah, I'm not doing that today. That's not why I'm actually here. I just didn't want to do it because I was afraid to. This might go up on YouTube, or I mean, be looking on YouTube because I'm gonna be up here. I'm gonna be up there if you look on YouTube or Facebook. Doesn't matter. Check me out on YouTube. It's Bong Day Gaming. and Bong Dag reactions. Although I don't react much anymore. It's not that much of a reaction channel anymore since I barely got a chance to react that much anyway. Yeah, I'll show you in the living room. I'm gonna close the living room. Angel. Hi, Angel. Angel's itching like crazy. Not for much.
Alright.
Oh, I think it's coming. I think it's coming. Oh, there you go. now we're getting somewhere. Alright, I think she's going now. I better go back upstairs. That was funny. I hope you guys saw that, 'cause that was funny. Well, that's about as much as you're gonna see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.